At Mark, what do you think is the hardest part about running a brewery?
It all comes down to money for sure, and narrow margins. Staff costs and equipment costs are always going to be the most difficult part, but both of those things are made easier through better margins.
Because traditionally, like the restaurant industry and just the hospitality industry in general, it's been notorious for running on really razor-thin margins,
Yes,
right?
absolutely.
So you're saying that being able to run a business with like healthy gross margins, net profit margins is something that's important for you, right?
Right. And if knowing that when a refrigerator goes out, glycol chiller goes out, or someone's looking for a raise, you have that little bit extra to be able to cover that.
Right. How do you think these tax credits are going to benefit you, but also like other business owners like yourself who are busy running businesses, involved in the day-to-day?
I mean, like I said, any little bit helps. So for us as a pass-through corporation, in filing, we directly get those deposits into our personal bank account. Filing amended return for the business and then filing amended personal returns puts money directly into our accounts. So it's very cut and dry in the sense that it's money into our account, and it's less money than that needs to be taken out of the business to provide for ourselves.
And I think that's because we file amended returns for you for the last 3 years, and so your business structure uniquely qualified for a refund, but the tax credit is really a dollar for dollar credit on your tax bill, and so significant tax savings for the business owner.
Right.
What do you think this means for like business owners in general?
That they should do it.
Yeah.
I mean, that it's there, and if everyone is on the same tight margins, regardless of size, whether it's a small business or a large one, if you qualify as the type of business to receive it, then absolutely you should do it.
If your employees get tips, you could get tax savings. That's
Bingo.
the core message.
Absolutely.
Right?
Yes.
The FICA tip credit has been around for 32 or so years. You and your family have been in the hospitality service business for 20 plus years. How come you've never heard about it?
I don't know. I just don't know. I genuinely have never heard of it. I think from the beginning, I was surprised that this existed. And Credentra just made it easy by supplying our CPA with everything that was needed in terms of documentation. And just from start to finish, just been a great process.
If you would simplify your message to restaurant owners who are considering this credit, but just unsure around the complexities around it.
I mean, I think just that it is legitimate and it is simpler than they probably are realizing, and that it is available. It is not a new thing. It is a tax credit that exists. It exists for a reason. It exists because the federal government
pay taxes.
Yes, and the federal government wanted businesses to report tips in the proper way.
And also incentivizing business owners like yourself who are working really hard and just creating a little bit of, room there. Better cash flow and profitability for your business. So, all right. Thank you for your time.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Thanks.